This time I will introduce 10.1-inch HDMI high-definition capacitive touchscreens produced by VIEWE. It is 440 x 1920 resolution IPS display with 70% NTSC color gamut. Compared with traditional screens, this high-resolution display can show more detailed and lifelike. Full-color HD picture quality, presenting you with an unparalleled visual feast. With an ultra-wide viewing angle of 178, ensure almost no blind spots. You can see everything you need from anywhere. The display panel is made of high-strength tempered glass and features an optical bonding process, enhancing its durability and resistance to scratches, while ensuring smooth touch operations. In terms of interfaces, the display is equipped with HDMI. In addition, they are also perfect for a wide range of devices, such as Raspberry Pi series, Jetson series motherboards, and computers. Whether it's for project development or everyday entertainment, it can easily handle all and meet your diverse needs. If you need any HDMI display or customized display, please feel free to contact us.